Good, good, good.
So you got this interesting caulking tool. Tell me more about it.
You bet. I've been a licensed contractor for 25 years, okay?
Okay.
I come up with this tool and invented this tool, the piercing point. I'm going to do a lot of caulking for you today. I'm going to do interior and exterior today. Step one on how to use this tool would be to cut the tip, the right size for the application. These different caulkings are going to require a different size hole diameter in the tip.
Okay.
Okay? Then take your tool like this and pierce the seal in here. Okay, like that. And what that does is that allows the caulking to flow through the nozzle a lot easier because it's the right size hole in the seal. Then you go to caulking, okay? Step two, during your intermittent use, okay, like if you want to set this down and do your finger troweling, okay, you just sit it down. It's not leaking all over the counter.
Oh, nice.
Okay?
Yeah.
You cut the tip to where it just barely fits in here, snug but not tight, okay?
Yeah.
That way it seals it. So we come in 4 sizes, the 1/8, 3/16, 1/4, and 5/16. 5/16 is your bigger tubes.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay. Then step 3, storage, okay? We want to store this for later use, okay?
All right.
What we do is you take a smaller one. This is a 3/16, this is a 1/8. And you charge the nozzle, right? To get all that caulking out of the nozzle.
Okay, so it just clears it out.
Right, clears the nozzle out. Okay? Then you wipe it off. Okay? Then you do it again. Okay?
Just make sure that you get all the
Make
last
sure
little
you get
bits out.
everything out of that nozzle. That way it's not going to take a chance to adhere to the tool.
Ah, okay.
Okay? Then we recommend a little WD-40 or a lubricant, right?
What does the lubricant do for it? Just keeps it from sticking to it?
Keeps them from sticking, and then charge it and you're ready to go.
Sweet.
Okay, then step 4 would be cleanup. Okay, don't use acetone, don't use lacquer thinner or anything industrial. Okay, we like paint thinner. Okay,
Gotcha.
you can soak this in here. Okay, if it's a little bit stubborn after that, just take a plastic trowel like this and
Scrape any excess out.
yep, you bet, clean it off. Then no more using this.
Yeah. I kind of
Wire nut cap, branches,
just use whatever I can find.
ice pick, screwdriver, no more.
Nice. And I won't be gumming up all my other tools anymore. I'll actually have a tool that's designed for it.
You bet. We also have them in carrying devices.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Keeps them together from
Yeah.
rolling around.
We got a single, a quad, and a triple. Okay, that hooks to your tool belt. Makes you look like a pro, so no more of this. Okay?
All right. Perfect.
Thank
Thank you.